guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bells so you can be alerted when I post new videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Valentine's Day inspired look. As you can see, I went with pink vibes. I've been feeling pink lately, so perfect timing. Valentine's Day coming up. You can stay tuned, watch the video so you can achieve this look. I didn't really go into full detail on how to do everything, but I did do step by step so you can see everything. And yeah, so this is a perfect look to go out on a little date night with your loved one, your family, your friends, or even just chill at home by yourself. This is a perfect look, not just Valentine's Day, but for anything. Any event coming up that you have, or anything fun that you're gonna go do. This is a really fun look. It was super easy to do. Literally took me probably an hour to do my whole face. If you want to see this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. And don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So I already started off before the video with my skincare routine. So now I'm just going to start off with my face, and I'm just going to prep my face with my primer. And then I'm just going to start on my face with my foundation, and then I'm going to do my eyes after. Should have learned my lesson from my first get ready with me, but I don't really have sparkles. I'm not really doing sparkles, so I should be good this video. Make sure that when you guys are putting your foundation on, you get close to your hairline, because then you're going to look like you have a white strip. That's kind of weird. And then you gotta make sure you guys always get your neck. And it's an easy cleanup. You could just take a makeup remover wipe and then just wipe your hair a little bit. I'm gonna do my concealer, and I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes and in any spots that I kind of want to brighten a little bit. First of all, I'm working with the worst mirror in the world. Like, I need to buy a new mirror. If you guys have any recommendations on a good makeup mirror, let me know. Okay, so I'm just gonna set my face with some powder. Using my Banana Dreams again. Kind of love this thing. It's a drugstore one, by the way. And I love it. Next, I'm just gonna let it bake a little bit and just sit here. So I'm going to do my cream contour next. This is from ColourPop. Super old, but still works. And I'm just doing my cream contour. I'm brushing lightly with my brush because I don't want the product to move too much. So I'm just gonna brush super light and gentle so the product stays. Next, I'm just going to do my eyebrows before I do the powdered bronzer. I learned to do your contour in the shape of a 3. So you're going to do it here, then you're going to go here, and then you're going to go here. Little tip and trick for you. So for my nose contour, I'm just going to do a little lighter bronzer. It's Anastasia again. I'm going to use like a grayish one. Not really gray, but you know, like a grayish lighter brown tone. And I'm just going to tap the powdered contour on my nose because once again, I don't want to move my product. Like the product that's on my face already. So I'm just going to put a little bit more of my concealer on the sides where I think it's too dark so I can blend it better. Wherever I see like little shadows, I'm literally just going to put a little bit. And I'm going to go in with a brush and kind of blend it better. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to be using this palette, Anastasia once again. It's called the Riviera. Look how beautiful it is, guys. I'm going to be using a few palettes. So I'm just going to be mixing the colors. This is another palette that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to brush it closer to my brow over here, and then I'm kind of gonna like swoop it a little bit for a more like aligned effect. I'm mixing two colors for this one. I mixed Bahamas and it's called Lucid Dream. So I'm mixing Lucid Dream from one of the other palettes that I showed you, and then Bahamas from the Anastasia palette. It's so hard putting stuff on your lid with nails when you try to get inside the corners. I feel like my nail keeps like chopping off my finger and not letting me get to the full corners. So I'm just gonna go in with a little flat brush, and I kind of want to make it more pigmented, so I'm going to use some spray. It's just like my setting spray, and I'm going to spray it. So I'm just going to go in with some liquid liner. Okay, little disclaimer. I am not so good with like liquid liner, so I'm going to try my best. Usually I do it with some tape, but I'm going to use like the edging of something to make sure the line is nice and straight and even. Okay, so I pretty much finished the eyes. I'm gonna do more stuff to it, but you guys got the whole point of like what you really needed to see. So I zoomed out and we're gonna finish up the eyes. I'm gonna do some underneath, and yeah. Just gonna keep blending a little bit just because I don't want it to look harsh anywhere. So I'm gonna put my false lashes on. They're from Morphe. Whoops, where'd it go? They're from Morphe. They're called Hollywood Hills. So I'm just gonna put on the false lashes off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the rest of the look. So my lashes are on. These are actually different lashes that I had told you guys. They're not the Morphe Hollywood Hills anymore because when I went to go put them on, I literally lost the other one. I just found it. It fell on the floor. Why did I not look on the floor? Whatever. I kind of like these a little bit better. They're more dramatic. I forgot what these lashes are called, but I think they're from Ardell. Is that how you say it? Ardell. These are definitely more dramatic. I don't know if you could tell. I kind of like it better. So my lashes are on, and I'm just going to put some bottom eyeshadow on. But first I'm gonna put setting powder before I put the under eyeshadow on. I'm just going to be using the same colors pretty much for underneath. I'm going to take a smudger brush. I'm wearing a white shirt. I need to be careful, and I clearly don't know how to be careful. Next I'm just gonna go in with a glitter shadow and put it on the cornea of my eye and a little bit on the brow bone. Now I'm gonna do my blush. I have this pretty, it's called Marbled Light Dusk. I can't open it. Okay. It's like a marbled pinkish color, and it kind of has some shimmer, kind of doesn't. But we're just gonna put that on my cheekbones. I'm going to use my Sephora lipstick. Okay, so if you guys don't know, this is number 13. If you guys don't know, it's my favorite liquid lipstick. I literally love this thing. I don't know why. It stays on for so long and it dries quick. It's like a cream lip stain. I love it. And it, like, sometimes liquid lipsticks like clump up. This one doesn't do that at all. So you can leave it like this, just matte, or you could put a gloss over it. I'm going to put a gloss over it. I'm going to be using Becca Cosmetics. This is the Glow Gloss. Okay, so this is the final look. Pretty easy to do, pretty simple. I was feeling pink for Valentine's Day. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can leave a comment if you want me to do more makeup looks on my channel. If you're new to my channel, go click that subscribe button. And if you want to stay in tune with me, go hit your bell button so you can be notified when I post more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching and happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there.